it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun video. I'm going to show you how to use some of your scrap vinyl to make an awesome shirt. So, the first things that you're going to need are your t-shirt. This is just a vellum canvas plain white t-shirt. You're also going to need your t-shirt guide. I have a 16 by 20 inch press, so I use a 16 inch t-shirt guide. A squeegee. I like to use a paper cutter like this to trim down to make sure my vinyl fits in on my mat the way that I want to. So some type of paper cutter or scissors. It works best if it does not overlap. Teflon sheet, scissors in case you don't have a paper cutter, and your Easy Weeding wooden pick. Now for your mat, you do want to make sure it is good and sticky because you're not going to use a full sheet, so you want something that's going to hold in place really, really well. And for today's tutorial, we are going to be using the new perforated glitters. And what is really kind of cool and unique about these are you want to have, you know, something's like a sports jersey look, but you don't want to have to do this yourself. Okay, so as you can see, they are completely perforated. You can see myself through it. So you've got black, light gold, hot pink, which would be super cute to do something for breast cancer awareness, British racing green, which I love this color. This is one of my favorites. Rainbow white opaque, red, silver, pink, gold, light blue, blue, graphite, green, copper, royal blue, and silver pink. So it has all the colors you could possibly need pretty much for mascots, and it also has some fun colors in there too, because you know some teams are not your basic colors. So I like this product. It heats, cuts just like your normal Glitter Flex Ultra, so 330 degrees for 15 seconds on your glitter HTV settings. So they're really easy to work with. It just adds a unique element to your project. And that's one of the things I like to show you. You know, if I'm gonna make a scrap shirt, it's not gonna be everybody else's scrap shirt. Now, the Glitter Flex Ultra Perf is on sale this week as our weekly wow sale. So these sheets, they're 12 by 19 inch sheets, are on sale for $6 each. They're typically $7.50. So that sale ends on Sunday, September 13th. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we'll get into how to make this shirt. Okie dokie. So as you can see, I have my vinyl laid out. Now, you can use pieces that are already in scrap form. I'm not. I'm using my sheets because I have a specific look in mind, but you know, everybody gets to make their own decision about this. So what I'm doing is I'm just lining up my vinyl so it is on the inch line right here, so that way when I cut this, it is going to be a straight up 1 inch section. So as you can see, I'm just taking and lining that up, and I'm not going to show the parts on the computer screen today because there's so many other parts of this that matter more. So we're going to flip that down. There we go. Oop. Hold that in place, and then just take both and slide it across. So now I have my 1 inch strip of vinyl. Okay, so I'm going to move that to the side, and I'm going to grab my cut mat because that's where the magic happens for this. Okay, so you do want to make sure your cutting mat is nice and sticky for this, and you want to make sure you put the shiny side down, so the part that looks nice and glittery, that's going to go down on your mat. So I'm just going to line up starting with black, gold. Now I did upload the file that I'm using to Cricut Design Space, or not to Cricut Design Space, to our Patreon page for the $4 or more a month subscribers, so you can have access to it. But I mean, unless you're a bulldog like our team mascot, it's not really something most people are going to be able to use. But well, I mean, you can still use it. If not, it's something great for practice. So, but I wanted to do it for spirit wear, and if I'm going to do it for spirit wear, I'm going to do it for something I can put in the shop window. So as you can see, I'm just alternating the strips and keeping them as straight as possible, where the edges meet pretty perfectly, so you can see that you can't feel each piece. Another gold piece. And last but not least is a black layer. Okay, now I'm going to go cut this, and we'll come back and I'll show you how to weed this. look how cute this shirt turned out. I love how the perforated glitter really gives it that athletic feel without having to put it on a jersey. And on top of that, the stripes really kind of give it something extra. So you can do this with any of your scrap vinyl, and it's a whole lot of fun. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below, and if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that'll notify you when I post new videos, which is every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and Tuesdays are live at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. But don't forget to check me out on all my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. But I guess that's it, so we'll see y'all later. Bye.